Redele.
You think you can spit on me, man?
Yes, I can. Hey, guys, say it. Guys, say no,
Yo, this shit OP.
Give me the hands. You know me. So.
Easy.
Boy, give me the hands. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Timothy for the hands. I'm back again for another BANGER. I said I'm back again for another bang. So in today's video, we're gonna be sneezing to people. School edition prank, guys. So like on this prank, I'm risking my life because the people at our school, they are not make sure like please like, comment, share and subscribe, guys, please. Yeah, like opa, guys. So like this is my first intro video. Like you can see on the past 2 previous videos I didn't shoot any intro, but yeah, it's like the ancestors don't want me to shoot intro. I always forget to shoot intro, so like yeah, I forgot to shoot intro again. It's cool, but yeah, let's get into the video. It's your boy Timothy for the house. Dango.
It's about to go down.
It's your boy Timothy for the What? You are saying fuck me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna beat you, son. I'm gonna beat you, son.
Fuck you, son.
I'm gonna beat you, son.
So you think you can spit on me, man?
Yes, I can spit on you. What's the problem?
Huh?
What is the problem? I can spit on you. I can spit on you.
No problem.
Yeah, why?
You're giving me your gems, man.
Yeah, I don't care. Don't.
No. No. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. No. 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 Hell no. No. No.
Huh?
I don't give a fuck and I don't care.
Why?
I don't care.
Fuck you, son.
Fuck you too,
You
son.
motherfucking
Yes.
son. Fuck you, son. So you think you can spit on me, man?
It's a prank, man. It's a prank.
But you're not serious.
It's a prank. Don't tell the people I'm going to prank other waiting to for the house. Ma'am, are you doing nothing? It's a prank, Jeffro. It's a prank, YouTube prank.
I'm too busy to be.
Check out my YouTube channel, Jeffro. I take you for hands. Tell the people to subscribe.
Okay, Bonnie, let me see
Tell
your
the people to
videos.
subscribe.
Okay, let me see your videos.
Such a TMT for the
Okay,
house.
Bonnie.
Yeah.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. These nuts. Got him. Got him.
It was at this moment that William knew he fucked up.
Why you fighting? Why you fighting? Why you fighting? Why you It's a prank, boy. Boy, it's a prank, it's a prank. It's hot, it's hot.
Wala akong muriwa sa alin.
It was nice, ne? Bona mfethu bona. So,
Ngisibreak ayithi ngisibreak.
camera kele hle. Camera kele.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
What? Warren, you said
Who the fuck do you think you are?
Nigga, chimula team. Star is a prank. Tell the people to subscribe. Tell the people to subscribe.
Subscribe and like it.
Tell the people to subscribe.
Subscribing.
Tell them to subscribe to KMT for the Hans channel. For the Hans.
For the hands.
So waiting for the Nigga timula timula. Nigga timula timula. Ya no, you wanna fight? Bona fight, camera ke ile film. Oh, bona fight, bona takona. Hello.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
One time for take. Why are you telling me to take?
Sekwantiena ka sihlogo tsa go ntshela ka diranyana tsa
When of taking. When on you.
bua ka rona no
When on you.
retele
Yeah.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Really? It's a YouTube prank, Joe. It's a prank for YouTube, Joe. Hide it.
I don't care.
Sorry.
Do that again.
Sorry. It's a prank. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's a game. Tell the people to subscribe.
You think it's funny? I'm saying, do that again.
Wena wanyela. Ala flop ale.
hello yo people
What did he say?
hello yo people
That's what I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
It was so gross and nice, ne? It was so gross and nice.
Why look my video?
Pela Jubon.
No,
Bon, why tell the people to subscribe. Tell the people to subscribe
Subscribe where?
to my channel. To my
What's your channel?
TMT for the hands.
What?
TMT for the hands.
TMT.
For the hands.
You know.
Check it out and subscribe me.
No,
tell
not. Gimana hanya luput sa pawalo questions and he was like.
Sure.
Yeah, boy.
And two. Hey, God, say me. That's an original.
Are you tired of shooting your shot and ending up in a humbling experience? Are you tired of suffering from public humiliation? Or maybe you should try having kwababa. Having kwababa comes with long-term benefits such as being saved from a humbling experience, from public humiliation, and suffering from long-term depression. For more info, SMS kwababa to 31314 and we'll be quick to assist you right away. And remember, kwababa was never the problem, it was always the solution.
King, minsan. Ngalekang.
It was at this moment that William knew he fucked up.
Vestu. Ngalekang.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Did you sneeze on my head?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you purposely do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes,
Why?
It's just for fun.
If there's something in my hair, I am going to kill and slaughter.
Yes, it is here.
Okay.
Yes.
And you are going to buy me shampoo?
It is already here.
Oh.
It's a prank for you to be for.